Hello everyone, welcome back to Flights Assistance. If you are flying with JetBlue Airways and need to manage your booking, this video will guide you through everything you need to know. From changing your flight to canceling a reservation or selecting your preferred seat, managing your booking is quick and easy if you know the right steps. So let's go through 10 important things you can do when managing your JetBlue booking. Keycap 1. Access the Manage Booking section first. Go to the official JetBlue website and click on the My Trips or Manage Trips section. You will need your confirmation number and last name to access your booking details. Keycap 2. Change your flight date or time. Plans can change, and JetBlue allows passengers to modify their flights easily. You can change your travel date, departure time, or even destination depending on ticket rules. Some fares may require a fare difference payment, so always check before confirming changes. Keycap 3. Cancel your JetBlue reservation. If you no longer need your flight, you can cancel your booking online. Most JetBlue tickets offer flexible cancellation options, and the refund is usually issued as JetBlue travel credit for future flights. Keycap 4. Select or change your seat. Seat selection is one of the most useful features in the Manage Booking section. You can choose from standard seats, extra legroom seats, or upgrade options like even more space seats for a more comfortable journey. Keycap 5. Add baggage to your booking. Another useful option is adding checked baggage before your flight. Pre-paying baggage online is usually cheaper than paying at the airport, so managing this early can help you save money. Keycap 6. Update passenger information. If you made a mistake while entering passenger details, you may be able to correct minor errors through the Manage Booking section. However, major name changes may require contacting JetBlue customer support. Keycap 7. Upgrade your flight experience. Passengers can upgrade their travel experience by selecting better seats or additional services. JetBlue also offers premium options like Mint class on select routes for a more luxurious travel experience. Keycap 8. Add special services. Travelers who need special assistance, wheelchair services, or traveling with pets can add these services through the booking management page. This ensures the airline is prepared for your travel needs. Keycap 9. Check flight status and updates. Another important feature is checking your flight status. You can receive updates about schedule changes, gate information, and delays, helping you stay informed before arriving at the airport. Keycap 10. Online check-in access. Finally, the Manage Booking section allows you to complete online check-in, usually available 24 hours before departure. This saves time at the airport and allows you to download your boarding pass directly to your phone. So that's how you can easily manage your JetBlue booking, change flights, cancel tickets, select seats, and update travel details without any stress. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with other travelers, and subscribe to Flights Assistance for more airline guides, baggage policies, and aviation updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.